Well, good afternoon, everybody. Another gorgeous day here in central Alberta. Just rewiring this trailer plug, and I thought I'd show you what I do. Maybe this is not common, or it is, and I don't know about it. But I'd taken a plug apart once on a trailer I had, and this is how it was set up. And I thought, man, oh man, is that slick. So what we have here is a 7-pin RV plug, which runs our trailer. And what I do is when I go to switch the plugs out, first thing I do is I open up the body of the plug, and then I cut. If I know the lights work in the order that I want them to, I cut with wire the old plug off, and then I start and I shrink on, crimp and shrink on these eyelet connectors, and then I start. I leave them all loose so there's a little bit of flexibility as I'm putting them together, and then it just makes a really neat job. It protects your ends from corrosion. These are heat shrink and crimp and heat shrink, and so I find they just work really well. As you can see, I hadn't used them on that plug because that was done in a hurry on the side of the road somewhere. So now that I'm home, I'm taking the time, shrinking them on and putting them together. And I just thought maybe that might help a few guys out when you're doing your trailer plugs. Anyway, hope everybody's having a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye now.